Bestie got me, well, us, a gift.
I did get us a gift.
I think it'll be nice putting it together other than the wheels.
Yeah.
Look, it's so big.
Ooh. It'll definitely fit Pip's chunk. Navi, we're gonna be using it mainly on you. Oh, on you.
Okay. I can. You done?
Oh yeah.
The Zooski.
Ooh, wow.
Oh my god. I can't. Sorry, my contacts are like fucked up right now. It comes with cup
Dude.
holders. How do I put it on though? Oh.
I see. There's pins. There's pins over here, on both sides. Navi, are you excited? Selena, what about you? Where's Pip? Senor Pippin.
Where do you see the pins?
Well, there you go.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, you kind of. It's already in there in that one. You already pushed it on.
I clicked that one.
Yeah. Boom. Cup holder, a phone thingamajig holder.
Thingamajig.
Yeah, thingamajig. You put your thingamajig in there.
That's fun.
Yeah, thingamajig, phone, whatever you want to call it.
Okay. We're gonna do the wheels and then ignore the jack-o'-lantern because it's there. That was backwards. Look! Oh my god. I love that everything clips in. She already got in it.
Aww.
Look, she's so little compared to it. Please don't be in there. And then ignore all the cat toys. Oh my god. Look, she's just laying down, my beautiful baby.
Oh, dude, that's so cool.
It's like my torso.
That's freaking awesome, dude. I love that it's mesh.
Yes.
A lot of air can get in there, so that's good. I like that.
So there's this thingy. Oh, okay. There's that thing that slips back here.
Oh.
And then the Velcro. It comes off. And it sticks. Technology.
Velcro.
Yes, but like, I like that it, because I was wondering how it clipped on there. Okay. I don't like that. Okay. This is all lined like plastic, so it's like
Oh, God, damn it.
perfect to clean.
Oh.
And then there's stoppers right there.
Little brakes.
Yeah. 3-in-1 carrier, car seat thingy, which I don't really care about, but Boujee stroller. Where's...
Oh my gosh.
Isn't he so cute? Oh, and clasps. And it's sturdy, so cat can't get out. Or dog. But it's big. We need to put Pip in there, so like, you can see, oh, it comes
Oh, heck yeah, dude.
so she can see everything. My goal is for like people to be jealous of me at the pet store.
They should be. I can't wait, dude.
Look at her.
We're gonna take her out tomorrow. Oh.
Maybe.
Yeah. Pip.
He'll get in there. Anyway. Cat moms.
Yeah. Dude.
She only wants it because Selena's in there.
Yeah.
Is that yours? Oh, my sweet baby.
Yay! Adventure time!
You just vibing?
I'll block it again.
Oh, did you have fun?
Did you have fun?
Oh, my heart. Look at you. I didn't even have to trick you with treats. You're just chilling in there hiding from the demon. He's trying to steal your soul. Oh my goodness. I love you so much. Look at you. Oh, you're so big. You little 15-pound self. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna... There's so much space. Stop it, Navi. Oh, stop it, stop it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Honestly,